Hey YouTube creators, are you ready to give your channel a serious boost? Imagine hitting that next milestone with 50 new subscribers in just 2 hours. Stick around because I'm about to show you how you can do this for free, thanks to QQTube. Alright, let's get into it. First off, head over to QQTube.com. They're offering a fantastic deal where you can get 50 free YouTube subscribers instantly. No strings attached, no hidden fees, just pure organic growth. Sounds too good to be true? Let me break it down for you. QQTube is a reputable service that provides real and organic subscribers, not bots. Here's what you need to do. Create a free account on QQTube. Once you're in, navigate to the free offer page. Enter your channel link and hit submit. That's it. Within 3 hours, you'll start seeing new subscribers rolling in, and you can get up to 200, 400 subscribers per day. Now, there are a few requirements. Your channel must have at least one 90-second video or 2 shorts uploaded within the past year. The subscribe button and subscriber count must be visible. Oh, and if you've got over 1 million subscribers, sorry, this offer isn't for you, but for the rest of us, it's a golden opportunity. I know what you're thinking. Is this really a 1000% guarantee? Well, while the service starts within 3 hours and delivers consistently, it's better to manage your expectations. The key takeaway here is that you're getting real subscribers for free, and that's a game changer for any growing channel. Remember, this isn't just about numbers. These new subscribers are potential fans who could engage with your content, share your videos, and help you build a community. So don't think of it as just 50 subscribers. Think of it as the beginning of your channel's next big leap. One more thing. QQTube also offers other paid services for YouTube and other social media platforms like views, likes, and comments. If you're serious about growing your online presence, it's worth checking out their full range of services. And if you ever have any questions or need help, QQTube's got 24/7 customer support via live chat and email. They're there to assist you every step of the way. So what are you waiting for? Head over to, claim your 50 free subscribers, and watch your channel soar. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks to grow your YouTube channel. Catch you in the next one.